Community experience in dealing with frequent disaster and local knowledge about disaster can be valuable archive for disaster risk reduction. Unfortunately, there has not been much documentation and collective memory and local knowledge about disaster. Therefore, our research is conducted to collect and documenting collective memories and local knowledge about disaster in Central Sulawesi and Banten as part of disaster risk reduction effort, aiming to encourage access to risk information that can be considered in development policies and other disaster risk reduction measures. The study of local knowledge and collective memory of the people in Central Sulawesi and Banten using an ethnographic approach saw several findings. Both regions has a lot of local knowledge and community collective memories of disasters. The people of Central Sulawesi have customary law to prevent environmental damage based on disaster mitigation, and the Kaili ethnic has a name place based on ecological, geological, and geographical condition that can be used as mitigation reference.
Juga kisah-kisah tentang bencana ini diambil dari penamaan-penamaan kampung yang sebagian besar kampung-kampung yang ada di Sulawesi Tengah itu mengalami beberapa kali perpindahan, bahkan sampai puluhan kali perpindahan yang disebabkan oleh bencana alam. Hanya saja segala peristiwa itu diceritakan dari mulut ke mulut, belum secara tertulis. Jadi situlah.
Toponym as hazard marker are found in the name of areas including Tompe and Balaroa. Word Tompe means thrown by big wave from the sea. Balaroa used to be called Tagari Lonjo. Past memory of Balaroa or Lonjo indicate the place characterized by swamps or water resources, and the name Duyu in Duyu village mean landslide. The people in Banten have the story about an active fault line through the story of the Urat Gunung Kendeng.
Ya, menurut Aki, jadi ciri-cirinya yang namanya kalau bahasa sekarang mah akan tsunami atau gempa ya, itu biasanya gemuruh air laut berbeda suaranya dari kejauhan terdengar ya. Nah, itu sangat tinggi suaranya, bergemuruh gitu. Nah, kalau setelah selesai bergemuruh terjadilah gempa yang namanya misalnya 2 skala liter, 3 skala liter, sampai 5 skala liter gitu. Nah, itu awalnya dari suara itu, deburan ombaknya itu gitu, yang Aki tahu gitu ya.
There is a local knowledge about earthquake resistant structure scattered in several kasepuhan in Banten. There is a tradition to maintain a common memory of the 1883 tsunami known as Haul Kalembak in the west coast of Banten. Haul is an activity to commemorate 100 days of someone dead, while Kalembak from the origin of the word Kalempu ombak mean being thrown or dragged by a big wave. There is a local knowledge of the people in Kasepuhan Banten regarding the division of forest area, namely Leuweung Tutupan, Leuweung Cadangan, and Leuweung Garapan.
Bumi ini tidak akan hancur dan yang tidak ada yang namanya kiamat kecuali ya pola manusia yang sendiri yang merusak gitu ya.
From the result of the study show that local knowledge and the community collective memory can be used as a lesson for developing community-based disaster mitigation strategies.